I don't have the latest iPhone or the latest Canon camera, but these things are working for me. Hello guys, I'm Olivian and today I'm gonna show you how to make cool pictures for your social media as Instagram, Facebook, etc. with most cheapest equipment. So my friends from the gym always ask me, who makes you these photos? Do you have a photographer with you? No guys, no guys, no guys. Wait. I have only my phone. So you're gonna need three things. A smartphone, in my case I have an iPhone 6, a cover, and an app called TADAA, if you want to do like blurry background that everybody is using right now. So the TADAA app, sometimes it's free, sometimes it's on payment, but there is also a free version that is called the TADAA SRL. And another tip, you're gonna need a good natural light. Not too much and not even too much darker, because after that, even if you modify the pictures are gonna be. And the second tip, you need to know your good angles. And now I'm gonna show you how to modify pictures on your app.
Okay, this is TADAA app. This one, as I told you, sometimes it's free, sometimes it's on payment. And this one, it's the free version, TADAA SRL. I have a few pictures to show you. Okay. For example, this one, I don't like the light. Also, this one is cool. And this is the picture after I used the TADAA app for blurring. Yeah, I think this was too much, and I have changed it. I have bring down a little bit the blur. And this is the final picture, and I have used the Instagram filters. For example, this picture is too much dark, if you see. Let me try to modify the picture to have more light. Well, I'm kind of red. It's not cool. And also you have to be careful on your background. For example, if you see here is too much light. For example, this one, the camera was in a bad position. Also here the camera was in a bad position. This one I have blurred too much. Can you see the difference? But this one, if I remember good, I have done it with another app that it's called Patch, but TADAA, it's much better. So let's modify this picture. So to blur, you need to do this, and it's gonna take the shape of your body. Sometimes it's not precise. Look, for example, here it's not precise, and I have to cancel. Okay. Alright, we're already there. Okay. You could also adjust your level of blur. No, like this, nothing. Or this extreme. But no, we're gonna use somewhere between. Okay. We're gonna export it. Okay. So I will gonna use a little bit of structure to define the lines. Okay, a little bit of light, and let's see some filter. Nope. Nope. Oh, this one is nice. This one I like it much more. I will not use. I don't want to get crazy with the filters because I like more natural, a more natural picture. But this one, it's pretty cool. Okay, guys, this is it.
If you need an extra equipment, I could show you my tripod that I have bought recently.
And here is my tripod from PhotoPro, and this helps me to make pictures more faster. And this is the remote. This one I use it also right now in the gym to make the pictures directly, just pressing this button. And yeah, this is pretty much all the things that I use.
Alright guys, this is it. This is my way to make cool pictures. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like, share this video with your friends. And until the next time, I will salute you. Ciao. And another two. I'm doing the and now I'm gonna show you how to modify pictures on your app.